Fabbi about a business owner. Fabbi now do beer work.
No, Fabbi, I have to come back home big. Me not wrong, Fabbi.
Then after she advertised the business, me know the business could never be hers, you know. Then she really give up on the business that she opened a while ago for comparing with Jaden. Then Jaden no forget them for you, see. Then Jaden have something in her in house to walk with her in her body. Big up to all of my mans them.
I've got so much more to give.
It's nice when you can remember your man up on a Monday. When you know everybody deal with people eat. It's nice when you can remember the boy. A long time the man them not give me nothing still, you know. I mean, if man ever mind me, it's not feel like I walk and tell you. You know, feel like I walk and tell you. Hi, my baby daddy, how you doing?
Doing good, I'm doing good.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I was just thinking about you.
I see him think too much, I think about you too.
Oh my God, look, I must be thinking back up.
Mm-hmm. Like what would I think about each other?
Yeah, look your distance can't keep us apart here. But I want to ask you, why Shemar takes it from me?
Shebada, what you call you the name for
No,
Shebada?
because I don't understand why he's taking a set on me.
No, them not like
Tycoon.
no, them not like me and feel chemistry, and that's why, yeah.
Yeah, he keeps reaching out somehow.
They not like me and feel chemistry, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, say, I'm not let you go, because you're not letting me go. We're coming like Jack and Rose on the Titanic.
Yeah, we go each other. Yeah, no can separate we.
It look like you clean up your place, though, Tycoon, all your broom outside.
Let me clean up my place and so me have to
Lord, you
clean
stop the
up.
life in your house.
No, yeah, cause you me learn from to stop the life now more so I make people stop seeing on my ball field.
Okay, you're getting a drip of it now. I see.
Yeah,
Yeah, that is so nice. So my man want come check you, you know.
you want to come check me for true?
Eh?
You want to come check me for true? Yeah, check me for true?
Yeah, want come check you.
Um, when?
Today, I want to leave. Yeah, but let me in there, Panama. Tycoon, the last night, me see you.
Yeah, last night, just see me, yeah.
Man,
Last night,
man.
too.
You know, say, Shemar will go find me, but me and come war me.
Shebada, stop calling names, but like many youth inner things that I them so they now.
Oh, me never saw the inner things, but you know,
No,
people
but
can.
you're crack.
Cause she reach out to me, the girl text off, the girl like inbox me.
The girl or the boy.
Well, whatever she is, but she wants some clothes though.
Yeah, and then talk about them buy me clothes. I don't call me just it's not pay suck your mother
No
clothes
man,
anyway.
she naked. She
Him naked.
naked.
Him naked.
No.
You know, some that admire boy pick as woman. I only you. You know, some that admire boy pick as woman. I only you me admire as woman. Yeah.
This make no girl up on the app vex.
No boy pan the app Bex. No boy.
Martin, my man knows big like your heel back. As some man knows big Martin. Me not go sit down here and make your class, my man. Oh, about that almighty knows. You ever see your heel back yet? Are your foot alone of mums? You want to wrap your foot in a nappy?
It's not like Martin jealous, sir.
And that me I wonder. Martin likes a good life.
Yeah, them not like so good life. Them not like see me and feel chemistry.
Yeah, I wanna know what good love feels like. Good love, good love. And this about the whole of them.
Yeah, this about the one of them. Yeah. I look there, Jaden find love. So me not wrong for find love too.
Jaden find love way.
You know, see Jaden and Fabbi pan date.
You know, she say I recycle, mix up this, you know. I'm money making some of this in one Rosalie, them want to revamp. That's why I not look on them. Eh? Fabbi now bother do her something again. Then Fabbi the Fabbi now bother business owner. Fabbi now do beer work.
No, Fabbi, I have to come back home big. Me not wrong, Fabbi.
Then after she advertised the business, me know the business could never be hers, you know. Then she really give up on the business that she opened a while ago for comparing with Jaden. Then Jaden no forget them for you, see? Then Jaden have something in her in house to walk with her in her body. But it not catch me yet. Yeah. Make them girls so fool. Then Fabbi now bother take my order and deliver my goods.
So Fabbi now bother take it.
So Tycoon, I see up on the net with Woody boy. I see up on the net with all Batman.
Batman?
Quincy.
Oh, no, too much. No, too much for that play with Batman. But no, I'm stop share screen. No, I'm stop share screen with them. Cause I'm find out say no, him and she be weaving the green. I block him. I run him off, yeah. I block.
I know I should not chat to you. I should have lick in your face, you know. For real, they can alive with the Gully Queen.
No, my friend, remember say me no know she bad.
You know the rat in a Ninja Turtle?
Yeah?
You know the rat in a Ninja Turtle?
Yeah, me know.
The rat teach the Ninja Turtle them over fight. A Batman that, you know.
Martha Splinter.
And when I see up on live with Batman, I wonder if you audition for Ninja Turtle.
No, Sky had me on live with Batman.
You're going to lift that girl in your face.
I never know.
You're lift that girl. Sky know. So good Sky know what she do. You're lift that girl in her face anyway I see her.
Yeah, me never know for true cause I can't miss Sky had me with Batman. Yeah.
But when you see him look, you should have jumped.
I true kind of a face where your mother only can love. Yes, I'm
sure. I should have loved it only through a blanket.
True. Yeah, true. I should have jumped for joke. Batman have a face where only your mother can love.
Yeah, I never slip out that girl with it, man. Anyway, Mrs. Sky, she know what she had do.
Yes, Sky know what she had do for true.
It could never be liar. One thing with liar laugh all. Tycoon, what one otherwise? Oh, if me never did come up Panama here, where that do up there? Where that grind? If I never me, oh.
Me? Ali Palmer.
Oh, me not too trust you, you know.
Why make you not too trust me?
No, but when I come and I realize to myself, say, this look like a Anita work with, man. I just say, alright.
Yeah, I have to work with Ann. No, I go up again, I can't walk club.
Tycoon between me and you still, you know. And when you go do your nose? You know, I just see what Martin has said. Martin, I apologize. Tycoon, I just see it, you know. Come here. Them, your nose are mature. Your nose come like it get bigger. And that's how I know your nose.
I know what's thinking from over there.
I know me now looking at your face, me try I don't look by your nose enough for sure. Stop pick it and mind it grow. You look nice though.
Yeah, for sure, I'm do a good drive. Yeah.
Yeah, but you must be grateful to Shemar doing a figure that boss here.
Which boss?
Come here, stop, let me say this to you. You see the mere fact that somebody receive you and put you up for a week or a day, never you dismiss that. Even though you and the person can't agree and the person, you don't like the person, always appreciate that little gest what they do for you, yeah? Always. Just something may I tell you. It might not sit well with you, but trust me.
But no them tell lie for me and so. Me never go this them.
Telling lies on you can never compensate for the bus where you get and enjoy yourself. No.
I know me have my boss. I know them give me the bus. The person who give me the bus for me there at Jamaica, me and them no deal. And it was
who put you up when you come? You did have someone for stay when you come, oh.
No, I never have nowhere to stay.
That's my point. That's exactly what I'm talking about, Tycoon. I'm not talking about anything else. I always want you for sure, Shemar, respect in that area. It no matter when do you, what kind of lime tell by you show him respect in that area there. Because when we look by you, oh, you look good and you enjoy yourself and you know you're making the life that you know. I'm proud, you know, I feel good, you know. But you just don't bring hatred in your heart. Make him hate you. Ignore him, but show him respect. Anybody come and chat him, Say one thing him doing him put me up when I come here, you know. And the argument done. Don't hate him. But it look like when you hate people, man. Look at boy. When people, what you?
No, Shebada, about when somebody do me so, Shebada, I'm gonna do them no, and then start tell one bag of lie and so, Shebada, me hate them, and them know so nothing not go so. Me never hear them. If they were just make me go my ways and so, Shebada, and will come on the internet and tell them so.
Yeah, but you're not gonna get it like that all the time. All the times it's not gonna work in your favor. You know? What you're doing now, you're using somebody for stop. You're moving forward. Shemar did have to do him have to do, and him have to say what him have to say, and the lies that he told, him have to tell them. The lies affect you today, dear? No. It not affect you. And that the party must look at. It not affect you, my friend. So you not have no reason for hate him, but you not have to talk to him. You know? You guys not have to be bosom body, you know, but have a mutual respect for him. You know why Shemar answer you, sir? Because you have not mutual respect for him. And he will always be on to you. But you see, if you say, me, you will never ever be friend, but you see you, I will always respect what you do for me. That says a lot, you know, but it takes too much for you to say it, don't?
Yeah.
Because it only takes a big man to take accountability, and you're not a big man.
And part of me, I went to tell us many of intercourse, and you know, so no go so.
Whether you and him want grind, yes or no, and nobody business tycoon. Why you think say you coming out here trying to tell people that it never happened? Persons believe say it still happened. Why you think it can change people's mind? Number one, for me there, Jamaica, everybody else say you do, man. So what's new? What's new? You gonna eat everybody will call you Batman, you gonna eat everybody will tell like.
I don't hear nobody will call me Batman and so.
But you gonna eat everybody will come in contact with will tell you say you're Batman.
No.
Good. Life is much more better than that. You can see it. You can see Tycoon. Appreciate every moment in a life where you have. You can't make nobody stop you in a life because with Shemar, what you're doing, you allows where Shemar say to stop you in a life. I know it happen. Shemar will blow past you and you have to turn on, and everything where you vex with him for turn out to be that you have to do it. Because nobody know what life will go through out here tomorrow. But anyways, moving right along. Yeah, what one otherwise?
I'm good, yeah.
So you eat lunch already?
Yeah, me eat lunch already.
What you eat?
Me eat one KFC chicken.
No man, I pay outer road you yam.
No, I just today alone. Yeah, because my gas did done.
Oh, you cook hard.
I cook hard, you know, I can't manage with it. Nothing I'm going from on TikTok, you know.
You change your community?
Yeah?
You move from the house where you did rent?
Yeah, I moved from the house, I doing a different scheme there now. My background change, a different scheme there now. Well, I'm move from this, so move from this and I went December.
Yeah, then I come look for you. I come look for you. Me send up one of my big old moderator, you know. Yeah, I tell her to come dash some crashes for you. Because she come up before me, so I tell her to come dash some crashes for you. She name Latte Boo. Yeah, I tell her to come dash. She never get a crashes.
No.
She never get her.
I want to hear moderator me and them live good on a Barbie Slims.
Barbie Sims are hypocrites. I know why you chat to she. I know why you chat to Barbie and she carry my name to you.
No, Denise.
Then come here now. You know about Jaden and Fabbi. Then what way Jaden moved from Shay, then Rosa, then to Fabbi. You know, she said Jaden I make movies for summer. Eh?
Yeah, but Shay not like man.
That is it.
She not like man. Yeah, so she rather that so she go to Jamaica and take a man and then and town.
So you and Red and your friend?
You rather that your friend all that she
Your
enemy
friend,
them.
all of my brother enemy them. Then what kind of man this me they read? My man friend, all of my brother enemy.
I'd rather die. I said request.
Eh?
I'd rather die.
No, your mother, you want to beat me? You want to beat me?
I rather die on Sky.
Red and there what?
And Sky.
No.
What make?
Your mother, you want to beat me?
Yeah.
I'm like red and there now.
And you like Sky. See the other? Remember add Sky. Add Sky.
No. You hang you up if you do it. You want, you're mad. You want to drag me on the internet. Me can't take for going on the mix up, you know. Share of it. Where she and Jaden at it.
Oh, she have a big. But me not care about share feelings. Respect. Me not care about share feelings.
Yeah, but you see, because you're sharing a friend, remember me, I share a friend, you know. So at the end of the day, me if I have my friend back, you know, me can't go like a hypocrite.
I told you, can see him. Some of that have Sky back too. Sky has sent me request and I don't want. God, I know.
You're coming like, you see, you're coming like a little Jaden, you.
What Sky, I'm afraid of that. Sky, I'm mad. I can't do. God, I know. I know, Sky, I forgot it now because Sky, okay, I'm gonna Sky go bed with me.
Dirty Tycoon!
Yeah?
Nasty Tycoon! Who you say send your request?
No, Sky.
Sky, when did I try to get to Batman? Never!
No, I see, no.
Never!
I'm a bitch.
Me forgot, you know. Me forgot to Sky did I try it pan you off.
No, we have.
And she know. She know say it never hurt me. She know. Me just a realize. Me just a remember. It could never be liar. Liar would never do me that. Liar would have never do me that, you know. Sky wicked to me. She know it doesn't hurt me and she do it. And she know I should do it too. And you're dumb.
I mustn't go on to Sky McCanson. Yeah, but like how you have respect for Shan, so you have respect, big respect for Sky. Yeah, so that's why I didn't want to accept it, but
You know, send me and you there from before you and Sky are friend. Tycoon, you really put friend over your woman. Or you and Red and I become friends. That girl they gonna make me eat her
oh,
now.
cause she a share enemy.
Yeah, so you and I become friends. Me not trust this.
Cause she a Sky,
Me not
cause she a
trust
Sky.
this.
No,
This
cause she a
hurt
Sky a
me.
friend. Everybody and Sky a friend. Me and them are friend. Only one person and Sky was Sky and them did that friend was never a friend. It was Macy Gray. Yeah. That was the only friend that Sky did have. But
Me not trust the alone my man in a Tycoon and me not want you and Red and I be close. Why Jesus have mercy?
Right and Diane Sky close. So that's
Why Shemar send me request?
You
And
don't have
that's Shemar and Shemar.
Shebada, you see it now, them say you keep up now.
My God. I hope my man and me still there now.